guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my FabFitFun. What is this, the fall box? I guess it's fall, still feels like summer. Okay, let's see. So the little magazine this month has Meghan Trainor on it and it has an old article about her being a badass and all that stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and just jump right into the products. So the first one, we had a choice of things. I am not a VIP, so I don't get choices for everything, but I do think that I got all of the ones that I picked. So anyway, the first one is this wallet cut from the Kloth. So this one retails for $60, which I think is insane. I mean, it's cute, don't get me wrong, but it's very simplistic. Like there's the one pocket here, but nothing else. Like this doesn't lift. So you can basically fit a bunch of cards in here and then, I don't know, something small in here and that's it. So it is meant to be slim and compact and it's cute. I just don't think I'll actually use it. It's nice though. It's one of those things that I think I could re-gift. Okay, the next thing is from Amika. This is the Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. And I was really excited about this because I love Amika products. I think that my first curling wand was actually from Amika. I'm not actually a fan of this though. It has good reviews, but I feel like I just don't care for it at all. I feel like it's a bad design. First of all, it's sort of bulky, kind of on the heavy side. I mean, it's not terrible. It has the swivel cord, fine. The on-off is in here and, you know, it's just a switch on-off and then you've got a little dial to crank up the heat. I always crank it up to the highest bit because I have thick hair. But I feel like the plates are actually kind of short and this doesn't open very wide, which doesn't seem like it would be much of an issue, but for some reason when I'm doing my hair, it's like, I don't know, it just feels like I wish it opened just a little bit wider and I wish these plates were just a little bit longer so that when I'm doing my hair, you know, half of my hair feels like it falls off the plates every time. Also, even at the highest setting, it doesn't do much for my hair. I think this would be good if you are simply straightening your hair, but I like to add a little curve to it to get a little, and it just wasn't working for me. Also, the entire thing gets really hot. I mean, you have to hold it way down here to not heat up your hand. I would honestly recommend using a glove because you cannot touch this side of it and it's like from here, you know, just past the plates gets to the point where you will burn your hand if you put it any higher than that. So like, you know, if I'm doing this, I cannot touch it to, I don't know. I felt like it was a poor design and I'm disappointed in you, Amika. It did come with a cute little, you know, bag to shove it in though. I'll be regifting that one as well. Okay, the next one were these ear crawlers, and these are earrings that have a post up the back so that you can put them on and they crawl up the side of your ear this way, and it just gives a really cool effect. Now, I actually knew a guy many years ago who made these and sold them at craft fairs. This was while I was living in Hawaii selling my photography to tourists. So anyway, I am familiar with this style of earring, and I thought that these were very poorly made, again with like the craftsmanship. What is going on here? This I am certain is going to break off any second now. It just does, like it's welded on there and it just looks like it's gonna break off any second. I'm just so afraid that if you bend this a little bit, it's going to completely snap off. That's what it feels like. And you do need to kind of bend it away from the earring in order to get it in your ear because, you know, you have to put it through the hole and then wind it up the side of your ear. I'm gonna attempt to put this on just so that I can show you guys because the idea behind it is very cool. In fact, I have a couple of these that I like to put in my hole up here and then, you know, put it down like this and it looks really cool. It's not supposed to fall down like that. That is not an ear crawler. It's supposed to go up and, you know, squeeze to your ear. I'm like trying to bend the metal in a little bit to squeeze it onto my ear so it will actually stay put. So that's generally what it's supposed to look like. But then from the front, it feels like it kind of sticks out and it's gonna fall any second now. Like it's too heavy and the post isn't long enough to hold it up or sturdy enough for that. So anyway, another disappointing product. I know, this is just gonna be me bitching about all the stupid stuff in here. This one, I feel like I love these hair towels. I just don't have enough hair to warrant actually using one. So this is the kind of thing that I will either re-gift or save for another day when I do have long hair, because when I had long hair, I loved this sort of thing. And then there's the stuff that everybody got. These are from Harper and Ari, and they're exfoliating sugar cubes, and it's a plastic jar, and they smell really good, very fruity smelling, and it's just like a soft sugar cube that you use to exfoliate. And I've had things like this before. They're kind of, you know, like I can squeeze it right now. It's kind of mushy, so it's not like a sugar cube that you would put in your tea. But it is basically just sugar that, you know, you exfoliate and it smells really good. So these are fun and kind of cool. This is from Aveda, and this is Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. This is one of those things that you leave in your hair after your shower, and it just helps hydrate and keep everything healthy. And I actually do really like this. It's nice and lightweight. It doesn't weigh my hair down or, you know, make it sticky or anything like that. It's nice. And this I actually really love. This is from Humankind. This is skincare with a conscience, and this is body souffle. It's vegan and cruelty free. I don't know what scent this is, but it smells very fresh, almost like cucumbery, and I love it. It's very hydrating, super wonderful, smells great, great ingredients. I really love this. This is maybe my favorite thing that I got. And then the last thing is this box of eye patches from Wander Beauty. Another thing that I really love. I've had these before and they're wonderful. They're gold foil, and I posted a picture of me wearing them a long time ago on Instagram, and they're just great for, you know, helping soothe, depuff, unwrinkle your eyes. I really like these, and I love that I got a box of 6 of them. So that was nice. I like that. So the rest of it, I don't know. I don't know if I'm just being like overly critical of these products or if they're just really not that great. So let me know if you guys got the same products, what you thought of them. Just because it doesn't work for me doesn't mean it won't work for you. I'm definitely going to re-gift these items. You know, I have lots of people who I'm sure would love to have these. And I did get some stuff that I really do love. So anyway, let me know what you guys thought of your boxes. I am very curious to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!